Hello children, welcome to you in the bio class. Children, today I am going to explain you chemi-osmotic hypothesis. This chemi-osmotic hypothesis is mechanism of ATP synthesis. Chemi-osmotic hypothesis was proposed by Peter Meschel in 1961, and for this work he was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1978. This hypothesis is the most widely explanation for mechanism of photophosphorylation. Similar to respiration, in photosynthesis also synthesis of ATP is linked to the development of proton gradient across thylakoid membrane. So during the respiration there is phosphorylation, but during the photosynthesis there is photophosphorylation. But one thing is common in both, that is the development of a proton gradient across the thylakoid membrane. The various events that cause proton gradients across the membrane are: first is due to photolytic splitting of water. Lumen of thylakoid becomes enriched with hydrogen ion. Children, see in this figure, this is the lumen of thylakoid, and there is photolytic, that is splitting of water. So in the lumen of the thylakoid, this is the photolytic reaction, that is oxidation of water. So due to this lumen becomes enriched with hydrogen ion, while electrons move through the photosystems. Protons are transported across the membrane. This may happen because primary acceptor of electron is located towards the outer side. So primary electron acceptor is on the outer side, therefore protons are transported across the membrane. NADP reductase enzyme is located on the stroma side of the membrane. So on the stroma side of the membrane, this is the stroma side of the membrane, and this side NADP reductase enzyme is located. Along with electrons that come from the acceptor of electrons of photosystem 1, protons are necessary for the reduction of NADP. So here is reduction of NADP. NADP is going to reduce into NADPH plus H ion. So I told protons are necessary for reduction of NADP plus to NADP H plus H ion. These protons are removed from the stroma. So outside this thylakoid membrane, this side is the stroma, and in the stroma NADP H plus H is present, and from here it is removed. It is used in the dark reaction of photosynthesis. As a consequence of these events, concentration of protons decrease in the matrix but increase in the lumen. In the lumen of thylakoid, there is more hydrogen ion, more protons, but outside the thylakoid, in the stroma, this side is the stroma, there in the stroma, there is less hydrogen ion. So therefore, proton gradient across the thylakoid membrane and develops, and there is a decrease in pH in the lumen of thylakoid. The breakdown of proton gradient leads to release energy. The gradient is broken down due to movement of protons across the membrane to stroma through transmembrane channel of FO ATPase. So this is the FO ATPase, and through this breakdown of proton gradient, there is the gradient is broken down due to movement of proton across the membrane to stroma. FO is embedded in the membrane and form transmembrane channel. This channel carries out facilitated diffusion of proton across this membrane. And F1 is here. F1, this part protrudes on the outer surface of thylakoid membrane facing stroma. So this is the inner side of the membrane and this one is outer side of the membrane. On inner side of the membrane is FO, and it form a channel. This carries out facilitated diffusion of proton. On outer side toward the stroma there is F1, and this part protrudes on the outer surface of thylakoid membrane facing stroma. The breakdown of gradient provides enough energy to cause a confrontation change in the F1 particles of the ATPase. So when breakdown in the gradients is taking place, so there is change in the F1 particles which make the enzyme synthesis several molecules of energy packed ATP. ATP synthesis occurs. So chemiosmosis requires a membrane, a proton pump, a proton gradient, and ATPase. Proton pump is energized by electron flow. It carries a proton gradients or high concentration of hydrogen in the lumen. Protons diffuse across the FO channel, release energy that activate ATPase enzyme to catalyze ATP formation. So this is for the explanation of ATP synthesis, that is the mechanism of ATP synthesis.